Main changes. RTM. The Start button was brought back, although it still leads to the Metro Start screen. The All Apps view was added to the Start screen. Added device encryption for compatible hardware. Added support for 3D printing. The snapping functionality for Metro apps was updated. Added new sizes for Start screen titles. Internet Explorer 11 was introduced. The Metro UI version also received some updates. Introduced assigned access, which allows the computer to be locked to running a single Metro app. Changes to the search function. Photo slideshows can now be displayed on the lock screen. Windows Store received an updated user interface and added the ability for apps to automatically update. Added support for Wi-Fi Direct, Miracast, Tethering and Me. Text and GUI elements can now scale up to 200%. Additionally, scaling settings can now be set up independently on each display in multi-monitor configurations. Computer is renamed to this PC. Clicking the File Explorer icon in the taskbar will take the user to this PC instead of libraries, unlike in Windows 7 and 8. Additionally, libraries are disabled by default, but it can be re-enabled by right-clicking on the navigation pane and choosing Show Libraries or Show All Folders. User folders, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos added to this PC. The Windows Experience Index has been removed. However, the command line tool to determine the rating values when set is still included. The Backup and Restore Control Panel applet has been removed in favor of File History. Several features from Windows Easy Transfer have been removed, such as the ability to start new transfers directly, the ability to transfer data from Windows XP and Windows Vista, and the ability to use the Easy Transfer cable and network connection transfer methods. New set of default wallpapers. The ability to shut down the operating system by dragging the lock screen image towards the bottom of the screen was added. New customization options for the Start screen. New Metro applications introduced, with many existing ones updated. Redesigned PC settings. Update 1. When the user hovered over the top of a Metro app, a title bar appears with minimize and close buttons. Right-clicking on the Start screen opens up a menu instead of touch-oriented controls at the bottom. By default, the titles for this PC settings, documents and pictures are pinned to the Start screen. The Go to the Desktop instead of Start when I sign in feature in taskbar and navigation properties first introduced in the original release is now enabled by default. Metro apps can now be pinned to the taskbar. Power and search buttons have been added to the Start screen. It is also possible to enable the power button on a tablet by going to HKEY_CURRENT_user software Microsoft Windows current version immersive Shell registry key, then create a new DWORD value named launcher_show power button and Start screen and set it to 1, then restart Explorer. Added dividers between apps in the All Apps view in Start. SkyDrive was renamed to OneDrive. You can also get this in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 RTM without Update 1 by updating the SkyDrive app via the store. The default Media Player and Photo Viewer has been changed to Windows Media Player and Windows Photo Viewer respectively.